I just got this dash cam, it comes in this box. I love the fact there's 3 different cameras, one for the front, one for recording the inside of the car and one for the back. Let me show you what's inside the box. Out of the box you get a nice instruction manual that explains you how to use it. You get the actual dash cam. There's a great design, good materials, as GPS. This one is gonna go on top of your car. There is this little screen that you can remove. It tells you on the screen to use the SD they provide because it has to be a fast memory card. I like the fact that this dash cam is modular, so you can decide if to use the indoor camera or not. It's easy to remove. It has a little speaker in the back and plenty of features, so I won't lose too much time to explain what you get inside the box. You get also the rear camera that looks like this, that you can, with a very long cable, so it can reach anywhere. And you get the actual power cable to plug it into the car, to give some, to the outlet to give some power, and another charging cable. So I'm gonna go on in the car, install it, and show you the quality of the footage. To install it, it's very easy. All you need to do is to check with the camera the angle, and when you're ready to install it, you just take out the sticker and it's ready, well, installed. I think the quality is very good. You can see quite well at night. I like that it records also the inside, so if there is anything going on, I have it captured. I think this is a great quality. After using this dash cam for a little bit, I'm impressed. I love the quality. I love the fact that you have 2 cameras, one in front, one in the back, and has great quality also at night. It saves everything in this little SD, and I can definitely recommend it.